Let's pick our first order from Singapore. It's so happy to see people from different countries besides the US like our handmade presents. Thank you so much, guys. The other day, the Air Express company told us that liquid nail glue cannot be shipped to Singapore, so we add 5 more sheets of sticky tapes to the kit as compensation. This Singaporean sweetie picked 2 sets, one in the palace and flowers in the water, one classical style design and one cat eye design. Among the 2, Bunny in the Palace is one of our best sellers. All nails are kept in boxes and well wrapped to prevent hurting during shipping. We also have some surprise small gifts for every customer. After discussion with my hubby, we decided to give this sweetie a random set of our press-on nails for free for her next purchase to thank her support as our first Singaporean customer. Hope our cute creations bring a smile to her every day.